And for this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you how to log onto your NGS account and how to quickly run through your dashboard and what it all means. So obviously the first step is go to our website. So head to www.ngscrypto.com, and when that page comes up for you, have a look in the top right hand corner. You'll see where it says login. So just click on login. After that, just select your area. And obviously just put in your email and your password. So that's just going to be the email and password you registered with. And obviously just hit login after that. So when that page loads for you, you'll see in the top left hand corner the package you're on straight away. So in this case, it's just the NGS Earth package, so just one of the basic packages. The investment level you can see here is 19,900. If you look just below that, you'll see your current balance. So you'll see where it says BTC and USD. So that's just the amount of Bitcoin you've got in your address. So 1.93 in this case, which equals a total US value of today's rate at $13,828. Just right of that, you'll see the start date and end date. So that's obviously just the start date when you signed up, and the end date is 36 months later after you signed up. So it's a 3-year agreement, obviously. The reserve funds, I wouldn't worry too much about that. What it is just basically an accounting measure for us. So obviously at the end of the agreement, you will get the total capital you've invested back. So on a daily basis, we just accrue funds to equal that amount after 3 years. And so that's just an accounting measure for us. And lastly, the total subscription payouts there. So that's just the amount that you've received in the whole subscription. In this case, it's obviously exactly the same as the current balance, but if you've made a withdrawal or whatever, it's obviously going to be a different value. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see here where it says recent payouts. There's none on here because it's a demo, but basically you'll see every day what you've been paid, when exactly you've been paid, and so you've got a ledger there. Same for the withdrawals. Obviously, when you've made a withdrawal, that's going to show up the dates, the amounts, all that kind of stuff. Now, if you scroll back up, just above the withdrawals, you see where it says send Bitcoin to. Just click on store a new wallet. Then you will see just to put in the name of the wallet, so say Jim's wallet, and then just put in the address. So I always recommend copy and pasting that from the original actual site. So whether that's CoinSpot, whether that's a personal wallet, always copy and paste that just to be sure. Then to make a withdrawal, all you have to do is just click on this button here. So that will obviously have the address in that black part there. Click on that. The amount in Bitcoin, very important. And then obviously your 2FA that you've set up with Google Authenticator. Click submit, and then as you can see here, withdrawals are manually audited. They're kept in cold storage and they'll be processed within 1 day. Above that, you can just see the withdrawals processing, withdrawals pending, if you've got any. And if you're unsure about the actual amount that you do need to transfer in Bitcoin, just scroll down. You'll see here the quick conversion calculator. So that goes from Bitcoin to USD or vice versa. We want to find out how much $100 is in Bitcoin. Just type in 100, convert now, and it'll show the Bitcoin amount. So 0.013 Bitcoins is $100. And that's pretty much all for the dashboard. So don't forget your referral link is here. So you can copy and paste that, send it to a friend, and you'll obviously get a bonus by doing so. So I appreciate you watching the video. If you've got any further questions or you feel I didn't cover something perfectly, just let us know in the comments and we'll be sure to get another video up for you. Until next time, thanks very much.